Hey, you Cholomander?
What you want, man?
What you got?
Rick candies, moringa berries, and black tar heroin, Holmes. What's wrong with your friend, man?
He huffed a bag of muck. He's gonna be out for hours. Me, though, I don't like it. I'm more of an old school kind of guy, real OG. Now, are you gonna give me my heroin and berries or not?
Jolo Million, wrap that shit up, Holmes. Something funny, man?
I suppose there's a Cholozard as well, huh?
What? No, that sounds stupid, man. It's Jerry Cholo.
Cool. Who are your friends over there?
Why, you like what you see?
I do. How much for the skinny one?
That one is extra, man. She my girlfriend.